Very good morning, children. So this is grammar of 20 chapter, direct speech and indirect speech. So before watching this video, kindly go through the basic rules of direct speech and indirect speech, which I send you. So let us go into the topic. Read these sentences. Look at these flowers, Ruhi told Amar. सो रूही ने अमर से बोला ये फ्लास्क को देखने के लिए. You can identify the sentence very easily. The first sentence is given within the inverted commas and see the second sentence. Gayatri said that she will be late for class. तो गायत्री ने बोला कि वो क्लास लेट आएगी. तो in the second sentence there is no inverted commas. So the first sentence that is direct speech and second sentence that is indirect speech. The second person has said that Gayatri won't come to class or she will be late. She will be late to the class. Okay. The explanation are given here. The first sentence is written in the direct speech whereas the second sentence is in the indirect speech. As I told you earlier, direct speech means that we are quoting the exact words as spoken by someone. The speech is usually written within the inverted commas. तो डायरेक्ट स्पीच मतलब एग्जैक्ट वर्ड मतलब एक्चुअल वर्ड. किसी ने कुछ बोला है ना, वो एक्चुअल वर्ड रिपीट होगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डायरेक्ट स्पीच एंड डायरेक्ट स्पीच विल बी रिटन विथिन द इन्वर्टेड कमा के अंदर ही होगा डायरेक्ट स्पीच. आर यू गोइंग टू द मार्केट? मदर आस्क्ड तन्या. You can see here the sentences within the inverted commas. We are having a picnic on Monday. Shruti said to Alia. Same thing. Monday हमको पिकनिक है. Oh, that is written within the inverted commas. This is direct speech. Whereas the indirect speech means that the words being spoken by a person are being reported, repeated or reported by someone else. तो किसी और ने वो बोला है. Okay? रिपीट किया है या रिपोर्ट किया है. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इज यूजुअली रिटन विदाउट इन्वर्टेड कमास. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में इन्वर्टेड कमास नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेहुल सेड दैट ही वॉज टायर्ड. तो मेहुल ने क्या बोला? उसको टायर्ड है. तो इट इज नॉट रिटन विद इन द इन्वर्टेड कमास. रितिका टोल्ड अमित दैट शी वॉज गोइंग टू केरला. सेम थिंग. रितिका ने अमित को बोला कि वो केरला जा रही है. तो दिस इट इज नॉट रिटन विद इन द इन्वर्टेड कमास. इट इज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. And here pronouns are given, first person, second person, third person pronouns, how to use. Okay, the usage is given. Object is also given and whereas subject is also mentioned here. When we use the first person, I, me, my, mine, subject and object same. Both pronouns are mentioned here. I said, comma, and inverted comma starts, I have cleaned my room. You can close the inverted commas. So whatever, if it is given in the direct speech, the sentence will be written within the inverted commas. So I said, we have to remove the comma and inverted commas. So here for the statement conjunction is that I had cleaned my room. So have present tense will be changed as past tense had. Second sentence, you said those plants are mine. You said commas and inverted commas remove करना है. So in that place indirect speech में conjunction डालना है. Statement का conjunction that those plants were yours. Verb, if it is given in present tense we should use past tense. तो are का past tense क्या है? Were. Mine, it will change as second person, yours. She said my brother found me. She said that her brother found her. उसको उसका भाई ने ढूंढा. बस. So here first person will be changed into the third person. Already in the chart I have given you the change of pronouns also, change of words also, change of tense also, change and introduction of conjunction. Everything is given. First go through that and kindly then watch this video so that you can understand very clearly. See the next one, when we use the second person, you, your, yours, second person use करते ना, तो कैसे use करते? As I said to her, you have a nice bag. तो said to, whereas the reporting word said to आता है तो told. As I told her, commas and inverted commas remove करना है. Statement का conjunction that she had a nice bag. For second person will be changed into third person, you. As I said to her, उसको बोला that she is girl only, no her in the sense. तो subject में यहाँ she, have का past tense had a nice bag. That's it. Reenu said to me, I have lost my pen, please give me yours. तो रीनू ने बोला I lost my pen, आपका देने के लिए बोला है. So see how to write. Said to will be changed as told, बोला है. So Reenu told me that. Commas and inverted commas remove करना है. Conjunction का statement that होता है. That I have lost my pen. तो Reenu ने बोला है she is a girl. That's why first person I will be changed into third person she. Have will be changed as had. She had lost उसका pen है ना, तो her pen. And डालो एक और sentence है ना. That's why you have to add that sentence by joining the word and asked me to give mine. तो मेरा देने के लिए बोला है. That's it. Asha said to me, your brother is looking for you. तो Asha told me that my brother was looking for me. It is very simple and easy because in this book they have highlighted the words which you have to change. तो your will be changed as mine, मेरा भैया ने. Is present tense verb will be changed into past tense of the verb. You again second person will be changed as first person. Me, मुझे ढूंढा. तो in the object we will use me. That's it. See third person, when we use the third person, he, she, it, her, him, they, them. How to use in the sentences? The teacher said he is playing for the school team. The teacher said that he was playing for the school team. तो सेम थिंग कमा एंड इन्वर्टेड कमास रिमूव करना है. इन दैट प्लेस दैट कंजक्शन डालना है. सेम यहाँ थर्ड पर्सन आता है ना, सो थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन यू शुड नॉट चेंज, इट विल रिमाइन द सेम. ओनली वर्ब यू हैव टू चेंज, दैट इज टेंस. प्रेजेंट टेंस विल बी चेंज एज पास्ट टेंस, इज विल बी चेंज एज वाज. दैट्स इट. माला सेड दे हैव लेफ्ट अ व्हाइल बैक. तो माला सेड कमास एंड इन्वर्टेड कमास रिमूव करना है. स्टेटमेंट का कंजक्शन दैट होता है. That pronoun, third person pronoun will remain the same. They have will be changed as had. They had left a while back. Karan said, I don't know where to look for them. Karan said, commas and inverted commas remove करना है. Conjunction that होता है. That he, Karan तो boy, it is of masculine gender. That's why he didn't. Present tense will be changed as past tense. Don't, didn't. So didn't know where to look for them. Third person pronoun will remain the same. That's it. And next it is of time and position. Time मतलब tense, position मतलब place. So tense and place, how to write? What are the changes? If the verb is in the past tense, then the words like here, now, today, tonight are replaced by there, then, that day, that night and so on. यही words मैंने आपको already PDF भेजा है. Change of words. What are the words to be changed? 10 to 11 words I have sent you. In this नहीं लिखा है. This will be changed as that. THIS this. Put arrow mark and write that. THAT that. This will be changed as that. He said Anil was sitting here. This word you have to change. That's it. तो he said commas and inverted commas remove करना है. Statement का conjunction that होता है. That Anil was sitting there. That's it. The teacher said, I will take a test on English today. The teacher said, commas and inverted commas remove करना है. Statement का conjunction that होता है. That I, तो teacher you can use here he also. It is of common noun. तो he भी चलेगा, she भी चलेगा. She, would, will. तो I have already told you in the present tense. Will be changed. Sorry, future tense. Verb, future tense of verb ये models will be changed as would. And shall will be changed as should. तो यहाँ will दिया है, will be changed as would. She would take a test on English. Today will be changes that day. That's it. Ruma said, I had a wonderful dream last night. तो Ruma said, commas and inverted commas remove करना है. Conjunction statement का conjunction that होता है that. I had a wonderful dream last night will be changes. She, Ruma is a feminine gender, female, तो she had a wonderful dream last night will be changed as the previous night. That's it. Next of reporting statement कैसे लिखना है? When the verb said is used without an object, it remains the same. यहाँ खाली said दिया है ना, किससे बोला है, किसको बोला है, वैसा कुछ नहीं बोला है. जस्ट said to me, said to her, ऐसा नहीं बोला है, खाली said बोला है, तो it will remain the same. खाली said ही हमको वापस लिखना है, उसमें कुछ change नहीं करना है. प्रीता said I am tired, तो प्रीता said commas and inverted commas remove करो. conjunction statement का conjunction that होता है that. प्रीता is a feminine gender, that's why she, am, present tense will be changed into past tense. She was tired. That's it. Father said I will tell you a story. तो father said commas and inverted commas remove करना है. that conjunction होता है that. He, father is of masculine gender, that's why he will be changed as would. He would tell us a story. That's it. When the verb said is used with an object, it changes to told, requested, etc. Told, requested, advised, commanded, everything. That's why यहाँ extra डाला है. तो Anita said to me, please come with me to the store. उसने बुलाया है. तो when you write in the answer, you have to write as go. Come will be changed as go. Even this I have mentioned. Akita requested me to, what is this? Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence का मैंने क्या बोला है आपको? conjunction to. If it is of positive sentence to लिखना है, if it is of negative sentence not to लिखना है. Ankita requested me, commas and inverted commas remove करो, to go. So यहाँ कम लिखा है, to go to the store with her. उसके साथ जाने के लिए बोला है, request किया है. That's why here her, me will be changes third person her because she is of girl. Pratik said to Mansi, I bought a new book. तो said will be changes told. To वापस नहीं लिखना है. Told Mansi that he, Pratik, it is of masculine gender, boy, that's why he had bought a new book. यहाँ क्यों had आया है? Because here past tense is given bought. In the past tense, change of tense, you should change as past perfect. You have to change as past perfect. That's why had bought. That's it. Very simple. Present में होता है तो past tense में लिखना है. Past tense में होता है तो past perfect में लिखना है. Change of questions into indirect speech में कैसे क्वेश्चन टाइप में चेंज करते हैं? The word said changes to asked. क्वेश्चन होता है ना तो asked लिखना है. The question word is replaced with a full stop in the indirect speech. तो वापस आंसर में आपको क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं डालना है, खाली फुल स्टॉप रखना है. If a question begins with which, what, where, when, no conjunction are used and the question words remains the same. इसमें conjunction नहीं use करना है, खाली the question word will act as a conjunction. Tanya said to me, where were you last night? तो तन्या ने पूछा है, यहाँ asked डालना है. Tanya asked me, comma and inverted commas remove करो. WH questions remain the same. Question word ही conjunction होता है यहाँ. So पहले फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट लिखना है, उसके बाद ही वर्ब लिखना है आंसर में. तो where you will be changed as first person, where I was last night, at last full stop. मुझे ही पूछा ना, that's why where I was last night. यहाँ where नहीं लिखना है, was. Akash said to Vishal, what are you eating? तो आकाश asked Vishal what he was eating. उसको विशाल को ही पूछा है ना, तो what he was eating. बस last full stop, you should not put question mark. and यहाँ सब्जेक्ट के बाद ही verb लिखना है, he was. That's it. And the next one, if the question can be answered with a yes or no if or whether is used as a conjunction. if और no question होता है ना, auxiliary verb हम use करते हैं ना question पूछने के लिए, that is called as yes or no type questions. so उसके लिए if भी use कर सकते हैं, whether भी use कर सकते हैं as a conjunction, anything. my aunt said to me do you like this shirt, तो पूछा है ना, तो my aunt asked me if I liked the shirt at last full stop. if कंजक्शन बोला है ना, सो कमाज एंड इन्वर्टेड कमाज रिमूव करना है, कंजक्शन इफ डालना है फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के बाद वर्ब. इफ आई लाइक्ड, दैट्स वाई यहाँ पास्ट टेंस में दिया है लाइक्ड बस. मधु सेड टू ललित आर यू फीलिंग कोल्ड, तो मधु ने पूछा है ना, आर यू क्वेश्चन सी दे हैव आस्क्ड, तो मधु आस्क्ड ललित वेदर. इफ भी डाल सकते हैं, वेदर भी डाल सकते हैं, कमाज एंड इन्वर्टेड कमाज रिमूव करना है. वेदर ही वॉज फीलिंग कोल्ड बस, आर विल बी चेंजेस वॉज फीलिंग कोल्ड लास्ट फुल स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट रिपोर्टिंग कमांड्स, कमांड एंड रिक्वेस्ट, तो कमांड रिक्वेस्ट ऑर्डर एडवाइस वो सब. इंपरेटिव में द वर्ड सेड चेंजेस टू कमांडेड ऑर्डर रिक्वेस्टेड एडवाइज्ड एक्स्ट्रा. The major said to soldiers march ahead, आगे जाने के लिए बोला है, आगे मार्च करने के लिए बोला है. मार्च फर्स्ट करते ना, लेफ्ट राइट, तो आगे मार्च करने के लिए बोला है, दैट इज द मार्च अहेड. अहेड मतलब गो फॉरवर्ड. तो कमांड किया है इन आर्मी, आर्मी पीपल्स. मेजर क्या करते हैं, कमांड ही करते हैं. सो द मेजर कमांडेड द सोल्जर्स, कमाज इन्वर्टेड कमाज रिमूव करो. इंपरेटिव का पैसिव सेंटेंस में कंजक्शन क्या लिखना है, टू मार्च अहेड बस लास्ट फुल स्टॉप. प्रीति सेड टू मोहन प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू ब्रिंग योर नोटबुक, तो यहाँ प्लीज डाला है इन द सेंस इट इज ऑफ रिक्वेस्ट. प्रीति रिक्वेस्टेड मोहन नॉट टू, बिकॉज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में मैंने क्या बोला है, नॉट टू लिखना है, टू नॉट नहीं लिखना है, दिस इज रॉन्ग. नॉट टू फॉरगेट to bring his notebook, your will be changed as his, उसका notebook, मोगन का notebook, his notebook, that's it. Next the doctor said to me take your medicines on time, तो डॉक्टर एडवाइस किया है टाइम में दवाई लेने के लिए. so doctor advised me, कंजक्शन टू होता है, कमांड इन्वर्टेड कमाज रिमूव करना है. टू टेक, मुझे ही बोला था ना, मी इन द सेंस टू मी, तो माई मेडिसिन्स, मेरा मेडिसिन्स ऑन टाइम, योर विल बी चेंजेस माई मेडिसिन्स, दैट्स इट. सो नेक्स्ट इट इज ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. चेंज दीज सेंटेंसेस फ्रॉम द डायरेक्ट स्पीच टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. अनिल सेड टू मी वेयर वी आर हैविंग अ पिकनिक ऑन संडे, said to will be changes told. Anil told me that, कमाज इन्वर्टेड कमाज रिमूव करना है, कंजक्शन दैट डालना है. we will be changes third person, they were, are be changes where, they were having a picnic on Sunday बस pronoun change करना है and present tense of the verb will be changed into past tense. Miss Sen said to the boy don't run on the footpath, तो Miss Sen told, said to be changes told the boy, command inverted commas remove करना है. don't negative sentence है तो not to run on the footpath. Third one, I said to myself this book is interesting, said to will be changes told. I told myself, command inverted commas remove करना है. statement का conjunction that होता है, that and this will be changes that. change of words में बोले थे ना, this will be changes that, that's why to that is written. that book is will be changes was, present tense, is will be changes past tense, was interesting. Fourth one, she said I have a bad cold, तो she said commas and inverted commas remove करना है. statement का conjunction that होता है, that she उसका है ना, I मतलब here उसका, she had, have will be changes, had a bad cold. Fifth one, the students said we are ready for the test, the students said, sorry told not said. commas and inverted commas remove करना है. statement का conjunction that होता है, that. third first person, we will be changes third person, they, so they are will be changes where, they were ready for the test बस वेरी सिंपल. आपको ये रिपोर्टिंग वर्ड चेंज करना है, कमाज एंड इन्वर्टेड कमाज रिमूव करना है, कंजक्शन डालना है, देन प्रोनाउंस चेंज करना है, देन पास्ट टेंस टेंस चेंज करना है, ओनली दिस मच. Sixth one, the magician said to the children, now I will pull out a rabbit from the hat. The magician told, said to will be changes, told the children, command inverted commas remove करना है. now है ना वो word will be changes, then तो वो last में ही लिखना है, पहले नहीं लिखना है. that conjunction that डालो, I will be changes, he magician he बोला है, he will hood will change करना है as a hood. तो that he would pull out a rabbit from the hat, then बाद में, then in the sense afterwards, बाद में. That's it. Then see, Manoj said they are late for the show. Manoj said commands inverted commas remove करना है. Same thing statement का that conjunction होता है, that they third person pronoun will remain the same. Are present tense will be changed into past tense where they were late for the show. Raman said to the conductor, I want a ticket please. तो यहाँ request किया है, so Raman requested the conductor. Conjunction statement, conjunction imperative का to, positive sentence में to होता है, negative sentence में not to होता है. तो ये positive sentence है, to I want a ticket. हाँ, so to give him a ticket. यहाँ want डाला है ना, that's why to give him a ticket, उसको ticket देने के लिए उसने request किया है. That's it. So next change these sentences from indirect speech to direct speech लिखना है. It is very simple and easy. He said that he had seen the car before. He said commas and inverted commas लिखना है because यहाँ that conjunction डाला है, that's why. तो he, it will come changes first person I, had will be changes present tense, have seen the car before. Inverted commas close करना है, last में full stop. The gardener said Shyam that the cabbages were ready. तो यहाँ told, gardener told Shyam, said नहीं, sorry, told, said to लिखना है. gardener said to Shyam, commas and inverted commas because conjunction that is used. So the cabbages are ready, where will be changed in the present tense, are ready. Inverted commas close करना है, last में full stop. Third one, the teacher told the students to read their textbooks quietly. Here the teacher said to, told दिया है, that's why said to the students read your textbook quietly. यहाँ आप said to भी डाल सकते हैं या ordered भी डाल सकते हैं. better to put ordered or said to. टीचर order ही करते हैं ना textbook quietly read करने के लिए, that's why. So Kriti said that she needed to reach home before dark. Kriti said commas and inverted commas because conjunction that is used. यहाँ she, it will be changed into first person pronoun I need. Present tense लिखना है, need to reach home before dark. Inverted commas close करना है, full stop रखना है. Fifth one, the reporter said that it would rain heavily this year. So the reporter said commas and inverted commas, would will be changed in the present tense, will rain heavily this year because यहाँ उनको ही change करना था, उन्होंने change नहीं किया, that's why this year same it will remain. Commas inverted commas close करना है, last में full stop. Sixth one, Vinay told Aditi that he was going to visit his grandmother. So Vinay told to Aditi commas and inverted commas because conjunction that is given. He will be changed into first person I. Was will be changed into present tense. I am going to visit my grandmother. That's it. The farmer said that the crops had ripened early that year. So the farmer said commas and inverted commas because conjunction that is given. The crops had will be changes have ripened early. That will be changes this year. That's all. Last में inverted commas डालना है, then full stop रखना है. Father asked Saurav if he had broken his phone. तो father said to, ask will be change has said to Saurav, commas and inverted commas. If conjunction डाला है, that's why remove करना है वो, and पहले यहाँ yes or no का क्वेश्चन वर्ड लिखना है. Have you broken my phone? Question mark, inverted commas, close the inverted commas. तो have you लिखना है. Had past tense will be changed into present tense. Had, he, you. Third person will be changes, you second person. That's it. Very simple and easy. Step by step you have to understand and you have to do. Very simple and easy. Section C, change these sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. First one, Namit said to Pooja, are you going to school tomorrow? तो पूछा है auxiliary verb. Namit asked Pooja, said to will be changed as asked, commas and inverted commas remove करना है. Yes or no type का conjunction, if or whether, anything you can use. She was going to school the day after. Because she उस पूजा को पूछा है, that's why you will be changes. She सब्जेक्ट के बाद ही वर्ब लिखना है और पास्ट टेंस में was आएगा. That's it. Tomorrow will be changes the day after or the next day. Day after also you can write, the next day also you can write. Second one, grandmother said to Parul, where are my spectacles? Grandmother पूछा है where, that's why asked Parul. Commas and inverted commas remove करना है. Where, the question will remain the same. Where her spectacles were. In the WH questions आपको लास्ट में ही verb लिखना है. Here mine, my मतलब grandma का. So first person will change into third person pronoun her. Where her spectacles were. लास्ट में full stop रखना है, question mark नहीं डालना है. Third one, he said to the lady, what is the time? तो पूछा है. He asked the lady, commas and inverted commas remove करो. What will remain the same? WH question का WH question ही conjunction होता है. No need to write any other conjunction. What the time was. Last में full stop. Because what the time was, is will be changes, was past tense and last में verb लिखना है. Sabnav said to Raju, where, how have you been? आप कैसे थे ऐसा पूछते ना. So Sabnav asked, पूछा है, asked Raju, commas and inverted commas remove करना है. How he had been. First क्या लिखना है, subject के बाद ही verb लिखना है. That's why question word same remains the same. How he had been. Second person या how you will be changes. Third person he. Because Raju is boy. Masculine gender. That's it. Last में full stop, question mark नहीं डालना है. Next, Rita said to Prashant, it is going to rain today. Asked, is it going to rain today? आज बारिश होने वाला है ऐसा पूछते हैं ना. So that's why asked said to will be changed as asked Prashant. Commas and inverted commas remove करो. Auxiliary verb का conjunction that भी if भी लिख सकते हैं, whether भी लिख सकते हैं, anything you can use. So if first subject के बाद ही verb लिखना है. If it was going to rain, today will be changes that day. यहाँ that is not visible लेकिन लिखना है that day. Last में full stop. Present tense will be changes, past tense was. Is will be changes was. That's it. Sixth one, the man said to Tarun, who has come here with you? पूछा है, the man asked Tarun. Question word remains the same. Present tense will be changes, past tense had. Who had come there with him? Here the word will be changes they. You will be changes third person him because Tarun क्या है? Masculine gender boy. That's why him. Last में full stop. Eighth one, Renu said to Vicky, may I get a glass of water? तो रेनू asked, उन्होंने पूछा है. Vicky, Renu asked Vicky if or whether, anything you can use. If she, I will be changes she. If she could get her. May will be changes could. If she could get a glass of water. Last में full stop. Prina said to mother, can I bring my friends home for dinner? Dinner के लिए बुला सकते हैं ऐसा पूछा है. So it is of auxiliary verb question पूछा है. So Prerna asked her mother if or whether anything you can use if she, because girl, that's why feminine gender, she use किया है. She could, can will be changes could, she could bring her friends, my will be changes third person feminine gender है, that's why her friends home for dinner. That's it. लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप रखना है, क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं डालना है. Even it is yes or no type question or WH type question, whatever it is, यहाँ डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में whenever you are writing in लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप ही रखना है आंसर में. सो फर्स्ट वन तो डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट लिखने के लिए बोला है, सेकंड इनडायरेक्ट टू डायरेक्ट लिखने के लिए बोला है, यहाँ थर्ड डायरेक्ट स्पीच टू इनडायरेक्ट. आप डायरेक्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क होगा, इनडायरेक्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं होगा, आपको फुल स्टॉप ही आंसर में लिखना है. इन केस इनडायरेक्ट में दिया है एंड आपको डायरेक्ट स्पीच में, ये सी सेक्शन डायरेक्ट स्पीच में आपको लिखना है तो क्वेश्चन मार्क डालना है, लेकिन आंसर में आप इनडायरेक्ट में लिखते ना तब क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं डालना है. D section, this is of D division, this is of last division. Change these sentences from direct speech to indirect speech में लिखना है using commands or request. मतलब imperative में लिखना है, the boy said to his mother, please let me go out and play. तो the boy requested, please डाला है, that's why request क्या है, requested. said to will be changes, requested his mother, commands and inverted commas remove करना है. conjunction imperative का पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस होता है तो टू लिखना है, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस होता है तो नॉट टू लिखना है. सो टू लेट हिम, मी विल बी चेंजेस थर्ड पर्सन, हिम उसको है ना, ही इज ऑफ मैस्कुलिन जेंडर बॉय, दैट्स व्हाई हिम गो आउट एंड प्ले. लास्ट फुल स्टॉप, इन्वर्टेड कॉमास नहीं लिखना है. The teacher said to Maya, finish your homework by tomorrow. So the teacher ordered, Maya को order किया है to finish. इन्वर्टेड कमाज एंड कमाज रिमूव करके कंजक्शन टू डालना है. टू फिनिश, योर विल बी चेंजेस हर, बिकॉज माया इज ऑफ फेमिनिन जेंडर गर्ल. हर होमवर्क बाय द नेक्स्ट डे, टुमारो विल बी चेंजेस नेक्स्ट डे. लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप. ईशा सेड टू अमन, डोंट गो टू बेड ऑन एन एम्प्टी स्टोमक. खाली पेट में सोने के लिए नहीं जाना है, बेड नहीं जाना है, वैसा बोला है. तो ईशा एडवाइस किया है अमन को. कमाज एंड इन्वर्टेड कमाज रिमूव करना है. ये क्या होता है, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में कंजक्शन नॉट टू लिखना है, टू नॉट नहीं लिखना है. नॉट टू इज द करेक्ट फॉर्मेट. नॉट टू गो टू बेड ऑन एन एम्प्टी स्टोमक. क्लास में फुल स्टॉप रखना है. सेम थिंग यू जस्ट टू कॉपी. आपको खाली कमाज एंड इन्वर्टेड कमाज रिमूव करना है. रिपोर्टिंग वर्ड होते हैं ना, यहाँ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ड चेंज करना है, कमाज एंड इन्वर्टेड कमाज रिमूव करना है, कंजक्शन डालना है. देन प्रोनाउन दिया है तो प्रोनाउन चेंज करना है. प्रेजेंट टेंस विल बी चेंज इनटू पास्ट टेंस. एक्चुअली फॉर्मेट यही है, बेसिक फॉर्मेट डायरेक्ट स्पीच टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच यही है. ओनली दिस मच, एंड दैट टू ये इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस में वेरी वेरी इजी. So the fourth one, the student said to the teacher, please repeat the question, sir. तो request किया है, the students requested the teacher. said to, you have to remove, and requested the teacher. commas and inverted commas remove करो. पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस का कंजक्शन टू होता है. टू रिपीट द क्वेश्चन, लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप. और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड नहीं डालना है, सर मैडम, इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, दैट्स इट. नीता सेड टू गीता, प्लीज रिटर्न माई क्लास नोट्स टुमारो. तो नीता रिक्वेस्ट किया है, रिक्वेस्टेड गीता टू. स्टेटमेंट सॉरी सेंटेंस, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस का कंजक्शन टू होता है. टू रिटर्न, माई विल बी चेंज हैज हर. ओके, बिकॉज फेमिनाइन जेंडर, नीता ने गीता को बोला है. सो नीता इज अ फेमिनाइन जेंडर girl. Her class notes the next day. Tomorrow will be changes next day. The teacher told the students go to the library quietly. So order ही करते हैं ना. The teacher told will be change has ordered the students. commas and inverted commas remove करना है. Positive sentence का to होता है, conjunction to go to the library quietly. Last में full stop. Frida told to Karan, don't tell about the plan to anyone. तो फ्रेडा रिक्वेस्ट किया है, नहीं बोलना है वैसा, और एल्स आप रिक्वेस्ट भी डाल सकते हैं या एडवाइस भी डाल सकते हैं और टोल्ड भी डाल सकते हैं, नो इश्यूज। ओके, रिक्वेस्टेड करण नॉट टू टेल एनीवन अबाउट द प्लान, यहाँ लास्ट में एनीवन डाला है ना, सो हियर व्हाइल सेइंग इन द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच हम पहले ही लिखते हैं करण नॉट टू टेल एनीवन, किसी से नहीं बोलना है, ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना, किसी को नहीं बोलना है, तो नॉट टू टेल एनीवन अबाउट द प्लान, लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप, दैट्स इट। And the last sentence, Vidya said to her father, please get me some pencils from the market. Request किया है, Vidya requested her father to, commas inverted commas remove करना है, conjunction to होता है, to get some pencils for her from the market. So यहाँ get me some pencils, that's why to get some pencils यहाँ दिया है for her, उसके लिए some pencils. So here it is changed, sometimes the sentence construction में वो word change होता है when we say to third person, that's why here also it has changed to get some pencils for her. Okay, last में full stop, that's it. Indirect speech में comma and inverted commas नहीं डालना है, so it is very simple and easy. First learn the basic rules and regulations which I have sent you for direct speech, indirect speech, then go listen to the video. Okay beta, thank you.